Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you caught the short I uploaded yesterday, you could see that my Insta360 X3 took a dump on me. Of course, it's my fault. You know, I didn't have good bracing on that little luggage rack I had on my mini bike. So, of course, with it just having one point of contact on there up like that, and with the selfie stick extended out so far, I was hitting the bumps and, you know, it just went like that and fell down. So I'm on the way to the post office to get it in the mail, get it sent out to Irving, California, and see what the damage is going to be on replacing it. So yeah, note to self, don't trust the single what is it, the little claw that clips onto things, and then it's got the ball for the selfie stick to screw on. I probably would have been fine if I didn't have the selfie stick on there, but you know, curiosity killed the cat. I wanted to try to get it up higher to get more of a drone look. So Dad's at the house. We got one fork off the Goldwing. Got that out of the bike so he could start tearing it apart, working on it while I'm running to the post office. So we'll see how it's going when I get back. The goal today is to get both of them rebuilt and back on the bike, but we'll see if we make it that far. Hopefully we will, because right now it's not that bad outside. I mean, you know, it's already in the 70s, but here lately it's just been unbearably hot. You know, it just kind of sucks the energy out of you, and you don't really want to stay out there working in the garage. You know, I need to get a spot cooler, or maybe a split unit, you know, a mini split unit or something to put in the garage. I got several fans in there, but you know, they're just not adequate. It gets hot, humidity kills it. So hopefully we can get it rebuilt back together, then get the plastics on it and everything, and get the rear tire put on it. And after we get the rear tire on it, or my bad, after we get all the plastics in the front tire and everything put back on, brakes pumped and whatnot, we'll take the rear tire off and shoot for taking that. I'll probably run it up to the Harley dealership and let them swap the tire out, because I hadn't got anything yet to do tire swaps at the house. That's on the to-do list. Oh, yep. My blinker's still on. The one thing this bike don't have is automatic counseling turn signals. And with everything else this bike has, you would think it would have that, but nope. And that's the only con I have for this bike, is the lack of an auto counseling turn signal. If it had that, I swear the bike would be perfect, because I already really like riding it around, especially for stupid little stuff like this, more than the Harley. You know, just because it's lighter. The post office is already going to be crowded, I can tell. Alright guys, we'll pause the video right here, go get in line, do what I got to do to get this thing sent off, and then I'll catch back up with you on the ride home. Alright guys, we are out of the post office. It always takes longer than I would like it to. The women in there are really sweet, but it's always crowded. You think, oh, early bird gets the worm. Not when it comes to the post office, because everybody at the post office that comes to the post office has the same idea, I think. The sooner they get here, the sooner they can leave. And every time I've ever come in the morning right when they open, there's always been a line. Whew. Oh, let's see how this works out. Gotta crack open my visor, it's hot. I wonder if that pizza place is any good. I need to come down here and start checking out some of these restaurants. I bet you I'm gonna sit here forever. Come on, Mike. Oh yes, saved by the truck behind me. Whew. And we're off. There's no music playing. Just realized that. Gotta have music playing while you're riding. I got one playlist. It's got like 70 something songs on it that I listen to. All kinds of various artists and genres. Definitely makes the ride better having music in your helmet, I think. What are you guys listening to when you ride? Comment down below. Let's get a favorite song to listen to while you're riding going in the comment section below. I think it kind of depends on the mood. If I'm on the Harley, I kind of want like cruising music. If I'm on this, I want a little bit faster music. I wonder how far my dad's gotten on that fork. Hopefully he's finding tools that he needs alright in my toolbox, because different people organize things different, and I highly doubt him and I would have the same things in the same drawers or with the same stuff. But I don't know, if he looks he'll find it, that's for sure. Oh, this bump. Boop, boop. A lot of these roads back here got humpback whales in the center lane. They got little ramps. Remind me of playing, oh, there was one. Reminds me of playing Excite Bike on the Nintendo. to switch and put shorts on when I get home. Get out of these pants while it's still hot. Let this person here go. I don't know if it's just the visor. Well, no. Might check the weather app too, see if it's going to rain. This might be the only riding I do. Oh, I got something coming for this too. Yep, should be here Monday. So I'm not gonna say anything now. Maybe I'll do an install video. I don't know. I don't like doing install videos because I am not the guy to teach somebody how to install something. I stumble through things and kind of figure it out as I go, and I don't think that is by any means a good idea for somebody to watch, at least for learning purposes. Does this person not know where they're going? You know, if you're going to go somewhere, know where you're going. That's all I gotta say about that. I mean, it's 2023. Everything has a map on it. Whatever. Alright guys, I'm almost at the crib. Appreciate y'all tuning in. We'll keep you posted on the progress in the next video on how far Dad and I get with the Goldwing. I hate when people park here. And yeah man, ride safe. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, peace. Sound like Darth Vader in here. Or just a fat guy that's out of breath.